showing you our new range of clothing that's come in. It's the Crooked Clubhouse. Glenn here has the Wings skull one on, which has the print on the front, and it just has a plain back. These are all these t-shirts and hoodies are actually made in Canada. So this one here retails at $49, so pop in store or online. Okay, so this is the next t-shirt Glenn's got on. It's the Heathen one. It says Ride With Us or Collide With Us, Crooked Clubhouse. And on the back, it's the Heathen, so it's got quite a cool back print on it. These are a slimmer fit, so if you do want a looser fit, just upsize by one when you're ordering online. Okay, so this is the third t-shirt we've got come in, Crooked Clubhouse. It's got the skull face at the front, and on the back, it's got the skull face again. And if you note that the teeth are actually made of a chain. So it's another cool tee. Remember, these are a slimmer fit, so just upsize one for a looser fit. And finally, we've got the hoodie. It's the Crooked Clubhouse hoodie. It's got the insignia here and down the sleeves here. And it's got a really cool thing on the back. It's got the old Gateway drug and the wee scooter for Crooked Clubhouse. So if you want any of these, just get them quick because we've got a limited amount of them and limited stock. Thank you.